Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious and convenient oatmeal jars. First, gather your main ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1/2 cup of your preferred liquid, such as milk or a plant-based alternative. This simple ratio forms the perfect foundation for your breakfast. Using old-fashioned rolled oats ensures a creamy texture after soaking overnight, making your morning meal effortless and satisfying. Now, let's talk about making your oatmeal jars exciting with various flavors. Incorporate fresh or frozen fruits such as blueberries, sliced bananas, or diced apples for natural sweetness and vitamins. For added texture and healthy fats, mix in a tablespoon of chia seeds, chopped almonds, or a dollop of peanut butter. A touch of maple syrup, honey, or a dash of cinnamon can elevate the taste beautifully. Assembling your oatmeal jar is straightforward. Start by adding your oats, then pour in the liquid, and finally layer your chosen fruits, nuts, and sweeteners. Use an 8-ounce jar with a tight-fitting lid to keep everything fresh. Once assembled, place your jars in the refrigerator. They will be perfectly ready to enjoy for up to 3 or 4 days, providing a quick and healthy breakfast option. Oatmeal jars offer incredible convenience and nutritional benefits. They provide a balanced meal that's ready to grab and go, saving you valuable time during busy mornings. The beauty of these jars lies in their versatility. You can experiment with countless ingredient combinations to suit your taste. Preparing a few jars at the beginning of the week ensures you have healthy, delicious breakfasts on hand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.